Welcome to Eddie AI tutorial channel. We will learn how to make simple yet stunning video.
I will show you how to make AI video in just one website. From the script, video editing, music, lip sync, all done in one place. So click the link down below and sign up for free and try it yourself. After you sign up, go to topic to video right here. Type in your video topics. For example, I want to make a video about how to prevent myopia. And I will make this 60 minutes long. Select the target language. They have many different languages, so you can make videos in your own country. And the tone, you can choose any tone you want. I will keep it professional, and I will click on generate script. Now if you don't like this script, you can click on regenerate. But since I like it, I will click on generate videos. And let's say I want to make 16:9 videos. Now if you want to upload to YouTube Shorts or TikTok, you can use 9:16. Now we are inside the editor. You can change the avatar by going to avatar and then select from the library. So let's say I will select her as an example, and then I will go to the second video here. Go to avatar. You can also use your own avatar. I have some avatar right here, and then I can go back to script. I can change the voiceover by clicking on here. I can select gender, female, and the language, let's select English.
Hey there, friends. Are you looking for a clear, intelligent, and richer toned voice for your content? Imagine the possibilities of this clone.
Meet Graham.
I'm Jessica. Let's get started.
You can also preview the voice by clicking on this button.
Myopia, also known as nearsightedness.
Another important preventive measure is to practice good visual hygiene during near work, such as reading or using digital devices.
Now for the subtitle, I will select this subtitle. For the music, I can select which music I like.
Myopia, also known as nearsightedness, is becoming increasingly common.
If you want to change the volume of the music, click on it and then go to volume. Let me set it to 10. You can also add some elements if you want. Let's say I will add the elements at the end of the video. Okay, that's done. Now if the video is ready, just click on render. Just wait for a few minutes and I will show you the end result right here.
Myopia, also known as nearsightedness, is becoming increasingly common, especially among children and young adults. Preventing myopia involves adopting healthy visual habits and making lifestyle adjustments that reduce eye strain. One of the most effective strategies is to spend more time outdoors, as natural light helps slow the progression of myopia. Experts recommend at least 2 hours of outdoor activity each day for children.
Another important preventive measure is to practice good visual hygiene during near work, such as reading or using digital devices. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. Ensure adequate lighting when reading and maintain a comfortable distance from screens. Regular eye checkups are also essential for early detection and management of myopia. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce the risk of developing myopia and protect your long-term eye health.
Again guys, if you want to follow along, you can rewatch this video. Use the link down below to create this account and you can get a 50% discount for the annual billings. It is super affordable. You can generate unlimited video creation with just $36 per month. And you can make videos up to 15 minutes long. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.